Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag dishwasher door switch. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door switch. The door switch tells the dishwasher if the door is open or closed. The man needs to be changing it out, so if it's failed, and the dishwasher won't go through the cycles. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we're going to use the Torx 20 driver to remove the screws that hold the inner panel on. Once you have all the screws out, we're going to lift the inner panel off the door. You have to hold the door down. Then we're going to put a piece of wood to support the inner door so we can change out the door switch. Now that we have the inner door panel supported, we have access to the latch assembly. It's right here in the middle of the door. There's two door switches on it, one on each side. They're both changed out the same way. You just need to change whichever of yours is bad. First thing we're going to do is take a flathead screwdriver, and coming in from the side like this, we're going to press on the catch to make it think that the door is locked. That'll make it easier to change the switches out. Once you have the catch in the closed position, we're just going to lift the whole latch assembly out of the door. It's just held in by a couple locking tabs on the bottom. All you have to do is lift up on it and pull it out. Once you have the latch out, we can turn it over on its side so we have access to the door switch. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to help pop the wiring harness off. Once you have it off, you can just set it aside. And then you can see that there's a couple locking tabs that we have to release. So we're going to push on the door switch from behind with a flathead screwdriver while we push on the locking tabs with another flathead screwdriver so the switch comes out. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the latch assembly. Here's the old door switch next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new door switch in, we're just going to set it onto these two locating pins. Once you have it in place, you can push it down so the locking tabs hold it in place. Then we can grab the wiring harness and plug it in. Once you have the wire harness on, we can set the latch assembly back in place. These are the two locking tabs that we have to set it down into. So we're just going to set it into place and snap it in there. Once you have it in place, we're going to pull on the handle to open the latch. So when we close the door, it's ready to be latched. Now we can remove the block of wood. You're going to have to lift up on the inner door and hold the outer door down with your leg while you pull the block of wood out. We can set the inner door down and line it up. Once you have it lined up, we can put the screws back in. We're going to use the Torx 20 driver to put in the screws. Now that we have all the screws in, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.